I just wanna be part of your symphony. Will hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio.
Una vez, un leteca bien feo, bien así, bien aguado. Moana estaba en un barco y cantaba, y cuando se hizo noche se lo tecaba. Mamá sí tenía alas. La abuela porque la abuela estaba allá.
No.
Bien maldita y ya no tengo decoraciones de tefite.
Ay.
Yo me voy a ponerle vestido de Moana rojo. Y me voy a vestir de Moana. Y mira el mago y se va a prender.
Good morning, you guys. Today is Thursday, and right now I'm gonna go outside with my kids to play, and it's freezing cold, so I'm gonna put a jacket on, and my kids are wearing their Halloween costumes. My hair has grown because I cut it like 2 months ago. If you guys can see, it's up to here, and I cut it way shorter than that, and it's growing really fast, so I'm really happy for that. And I found a whitehead right here, and I get them like at random times. I think that my family has a lot of white hairs, so that's why I'm getting them really fast. So this is what I am wearing. My daughter let me borrow this little beanie hat because it's really cold outside. No, ¿por qué está de ese color, hija?
It's white.
That's nasty. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like
This one was white.
not raining, but it's like se está cayendo like
aquí,
little
mami, me gacho.
feather things. ¿Sí?
La pusieron para que no se le haga vueltas.
Mira, un gatito. Mira. Oh. Ya se fue. Say hi.
Están puros traviesos.
Oh, vénganse.
Muchachos.
So it is now 11 o'clock, and my husband just got home from work. He came home early, probably over there. ¡Ay, hijos! ¡Córrele, mi niñita! Oh.
Venga, mi niño. Ven.
Oh.
Sí, Mary le voy a dar su sorpresita. Porque ella sí, Mary. Ah, nomás por la sorpresa. Besito. Ah, qué hermoso. Besito. Los quiero mucho, hijos. Sí, papi, cachetito.
So it is about 4 o'clock now, and as you guys can see, I did my makeup like the Catrina, because in Mexico they celebrate el 2 de noviembre, and I don't really like how the mouth came out. As you guys can see, we changed the rooms, and if you guys want a room tour, I'll give it to you guys maybe next week when I redecorate. We already have our plane tickets when we are going to Mexico, so get ready for that. It's going to be really fun, and you guys won't expect to see where we are going. So right now my husband is doing some... ¿Qué estás haciendo, Rodolfo?
Estoy haciendo el desempleo.
So he's been doing that since he got here, so yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. We are out of the house. It is currently 6:30 and we are just gonna go to Walmart to buy my son some diapers and things we need, and I'll see you guys there.
Ah, yeah. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go to the market. We're gonna buy some healthy food. We're gonna buy some vegetables. Fill the basket up with lettuce.
¿Estás grabando?
Show them your spider. Uy. And Monse is asleep. Hija, acuéstate, mamá. Ay, pobrecita de mi niña. Déjala acomodo. So, as you guys saw, we only bought some diapers and a little bit of things. Pero se soluciona con pesos. Igual te voy a enojar. Esta vez se sabes que quiero que recuerdes esto. I know it's not the best, but I hope you guys liked it anyway. ¿Edad, Rodolfo?
Yeah.
Te estoy diciendo que no, no es lo mejor, pero de todos ojalá les haya gustado. ¿Verdad? Ni se ve. While everyone is probably already asleep or doing exercise or something, I'm gonna be eating these. So lately, my husband has been obsessed with a novela. ¿Cómo se llama la novela? Enamorándome de Ramón. So when we went to Walmart, we weren't able to watch it because we left. And look, he's watching the novela on his phone. Cada bien mucho la luz, ¿verdad? Ahora para acá. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go check out my Instagram and my Twitter. I just posted an India Maria picture. If you guys remember her, go check it out and post a funny phrase that you remember from her, the India Maria. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, hit the notifications button, comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bien feo, bien así, bien aguado.
Una, dos, tres.